Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to manually review captions for a video on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Facebook and a like page and some videos that we have uploaded to Facebook Creator Studio. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using a shortcut within our bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Then let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to content, and here we have all the content uploaded to Facebook Creator Studio. Let's now go to videos. On the side of that video, we have status. We can see that the captions are automatically reviewed, auto-generated, and confirmed through the system. However, we sometimes receive this yellow notification in regards to the accuracy of the captions, and if the system has an issue, we then have to manually review this ourselves. So let's now click on review. And then we can change this if we need to. However, everything looks spot on, so we can manually then click on approve. This will then go back to Facebook for them to recheck, redefine, and confirm. So if we were to, let's just say now, quit Safari, and then go over onto the dock, go to the web browser, Safari, click on this, wait for that to load, go back to Facebook Creator Studio via the bookmark shortcut, go to content, and then we have that video manually reviewed by us, checked by Facebook, and the captions have now been accurately approved through their system again once we reviewed these ourselves. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.